Hey, I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors. For most homes in Northwest Ohio, siding lands between $22,000 and $35,000, with the typical house sitting right around $30,000. Bigger homes or a premium material like fiber cement siding can push past $40,000. Now, a few things affect your number. The first is simply how large the home is. The more square footage means more material and more labor. The material itself is next. Vinyl siding has many different levels of quality, and going from vinyl to fiber cement is a real jump. Trim and detail add up too. Corners, gables, and the house and window wraps. And then there's one nobody can promise you in advance. What's under the old siding? If we pull it off and find rotted materials, that has to get fixed before anything new goes on. When a number comes in thousands under everyone else, something on that list is probably missing. And new siding over a rotten wall isn't going to look good for long. It just hides the real issue while the damage underneath spreads. Go to integrityhomeexteriors.com/pricing. Our online estimator gets you a realistic range of what your siding replacement might cost. If you like what you see, call us for a free inspection and get an exact quote. Integrity Home Exteriors. Let's build better.